Porsche underlines its claim to offer best-in-class performance through significant increases in the power output of the drive systems. The new Panamera Turbo S is a good example of this. We have appreciably increased the power of the V8 engine with an additional 80 PS and 50 Nm more torque, which results in a total power output of 630 PS and an impressive maximum torque of 820 Nm. Thanks to this large increase in power, the Panamera Turbo S completes the sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.1 seconds. The new 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine has been fundamentally optimized for the Panamera Turbo S. The crankshaft drive in particular has been greatly reinforced. The crankshaft, connecting rods, pistons, timing chain drive, and also the vibration damper have all been modified. All these measures serve to make it possible to increase the cylinder pressure to 125 bar in order to generate the additional power. And there are also the turbochargers, which feature an optimized turbine layout and which have been specifically enhanced to ensure that sufficient air is supplied to the combustion chambers. Again, we have optimized the sports exhaust system in order to clearly underline the sound characteristics of the V8 engine. This has been achieved by an asymmetrical internal design of the rear silencers. We followed two goals when developing the new Panamera GTS. On the one hand, increasing the power output, and on the other, creating a much more emotive driving experience. We achieved the first goal by increasing the power output to 480 PS. And then, in order to achieve the emotive element of the GTS, we modeled the power characteristics on those of a naturally aspirated engine. This means that the power increases at a constant rate up to almost maximum engine speed. Porsche is also systematically following its e-performance strategy with the new Panamera 4S EHybrid. The 4S EHybrid has a system power of 560 PS and an impressive maximum torque of 750 Nm. The heart of the drivetrain, the 136 PS electric motor, works together with the 440 PS 2.9-liter V6 bi-turbo engine.
Hybrid is not a compromise at Porsche. The focus is quite clearly on performance. The foundation for this hybrid strategy was laid by the 918 Spider, the Porsche super sports car. We then refined this technology in motorsport, especially in the 919 hybrid project, and underlined its potential through numerous successes at Le Mans and in the World Championship. The focus there was above all on energy recuperation and the brake feel through the pedal. The ultimate proof of this technology was the 919 Evo's record lap on the Nürburgring Nordschleife. I have some very good memories of that. It was a performance achieved not in spite of the hybrid drive, but because of it.
The completely newly designed Panamera 4S EHybrid has a system power of 560 PS and an impressive maximum torque of 750 Nm. The heart of the drivetrain, its 136 PS electric motor, works together with the 440 PS 2.9-liter V6 bi-turbo engine.
An important development goal for the Panamera 4S EHybrid was increasing the power output of its high-voltage battery, which is 17.9 kilowatts per hour now, up from the previous 14.1 kilowatts per hour. The Panamera now has more energy to call upon during dynamic driving situations and benefits from a longer all-electric range in everyday use. Battery capacity has been increased by just under 30% while keeping the same luggage compartment volume.
The brake energy recuperation system in the 4S EHybrid has also been fine-tuned. The control precision and feedback of the electronic brake booster have been further improved, and the interaction of recuperative and mechanical braking is now even more harmonious.
In order to make the 4S EHybrid as efficient as possible, we have optimized the driving modes and also specifically improved the energy recuperated during braking. In hybrid auto mode, the system takes the route into account and recuperates energy during cross-country driving so that the car can be driven electrically in urban areas. The maximum charging capacity is 7.2 kilowatts in e-charge mode, 9 kilowatts in sport mode, and 12 kilowatts in Sport Plus mode.
Porsche is consistently pursuing an e-performance strategy, and this offering is extended once more with the new Panamera 4S EHybrid. The all-electric driving experience and the electric range are significantly enhanced again by a more powerful battery and a new operating strategy.